Okay, so I heard the girls want to learn how to do this cute animation, so I'm going to show you step by step. Okay, so just like she said, it looks like the girls want to learn, so I'm going to break it down step by step. But before I do, I just want to do a little quick shout out to the Taylor Patrice on Instagram and TikTok. I saw her Lizzie McGuire tutorial and I was like, ooh, this would eat down with the Bratz. And I couldn't help myself because I'm a Bratz girly, so I'm going to show you how I did mine. So, first, what we're going to do is we're going to go into ChatGPT. Now, quick little heads up. I have the paid version. I don't know if this works on the free version. So, I don't know. Just a quick heads up. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my photo. So, I'm just going to upload it from my computer here. Let's see which one it was. Yeah, it's this one. Okay. And then I'm going to add in this prompt. So basically it just says recreate this photo in the style of Bratz without me holding a phone or a bag, because I have things in my hands and I don't want it to be in the animation. So I take that out and then I say make it full length, including my shoes, so it knows to do like a full length picture. And then I put she has brown eyes because sometimes, I don't know what it is, but they changed the eye color. Like last time I tried it, it was green eyes. So I specify brown eyes, and then I wanted pink eyeshadow to match my dress, and then the last part is replace the background with a green screen. Now I do green screen because we're going to do this as an overlay, so if you edit in CapCut or even Final Cut Pro, the green screen is going to help. But also I like doing the green screen because when I do a white background, it doesn't look as good. I don't know what it is, but like it makes the picture look so grainy and so dull, and I'm just like, no, the green screen really makes the drawing pop. It makes the image pop. So we'll go ahead and upload this. Now it does take a bit of a minute or two, maybe even three. So we'll just wait while it loads. But in the meantime, shameless plug, if you want to learn how to do more cool AI stuff like this, I do have a course that teaches you how to do cool things like your AI twin. I don't know if you're hip to that, but if you look on Threads, the girls are eating it down. They're eating it down. So basically you just clone yourself is basically what they're saying. You clone yourself, and if you make like content on Instagram or YouTube, that would save you so much time. If you don't have anything to post, you can easily just clone yourself and make content. So if you want to learn how to do stuff like that, I'm gonna put the link in the description. And the cool thing about this course too, it's an affiliate course. So if you like it and you want to recommend it to somebody, you can get commission. I recommended it to somebody the other day. They bought it and I made $123. And I'm Canadian, so 123 is actually 170. So for my Canadian girlies, if you want to make a little extra money before summer comes, that's the move. That's the move. So again, I'm gonna put the link in the description if you want to check it out. And yeah, okay, so it's done. Okay, they didn't get it right this time. My skin color is off, and I told you, oh my gosh, they made my eyes pink. I don't know why they do this. The dress is tea, the shoes is tea, but they didn't get the memo. But anyways, it doesn't matter. I did this beforehand, so this is what I got. The brown eyes, the pink eyeshadow, tea. Looks like me. Anywho, so you can go ahead and you can download it. Here, I already downloaded it. And now the next app we're gonna go into is the Hedra app. So again, heads up, this is a paid app. You do get 400 credits to experiment with, which is more than enough. The only thing is if you use a free account, the waiting is gonna be so much longer. When I tried to do the free way, it was telling me like 30 minutes to an hour. So if you have time to waste, or time to spare, I should say, if you have time to spare, you can do that. But if you just want it one and done, it's $10, $14 if you're Canadian. It's not that pricey. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the video. It's giving me the one I already did. Okay, so we're gonna click on the video, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the actually, before we click anything, we just want to make sure the settings are correct. So instead of 16 by 9, I'm going to make this a 9 by 16 because that's the image, that's the resolution size if you want to create reels or things for like Instagram stories or, you know, the rectangle. So 9 by 16, and you can keep everything else. And then the start frame, we're going to upload an image. Yeah, we're going to upload her. And then the next part you want to do is add your script. So if you want, you can record something right now with the record audio button, or if you recorded something ahead of time, you can upload your audio. So I recorded something ahead of time, so I'm gonna upload my audio just like that. And then if you want to edit the audio in any way, like if you want to trim it down, or they also have a AI voice changer. So if you wanted to change the voice, you can change it too. But I want this to use my own voice. I want it to use my own voice. So we're going to add that to the video. And then here in the prompt, you want to put in lip sync the audio to the character. Okay. So before you click, you can click on the arrow. You can click on the arrow and it's going to tell you how much credits it's going to take. So this is going to take me 40 credits, which isn't so bad. I think it depends on like the length of your audio. So I click this, and then again, it takes about 1 to 2 minutes if you have a paid plan. So while we wait, I guess I can show you some examples of my AI twins. So this is some of the examples I've made so far. If you go on my Instagram, you can see some more examples, but it's so much fun. It's literally addicting. Like, I'm telling you, go on Threads and look up everybody's examples. Like, it's so tea and it's so fun, especially if like you're a content creator or like a YouTuber. This could be like a fun thing to like integrate into your content, especially because AI is trending right now. You're gonna want to do something that like sparks like curiosity, like, ooh, this is not me, this is my clone. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to check out the course, the link is in the description. And if you want to make some extra money before the summer, you can be an affiliate. I'm telling you. This, yo. Okay, it's taking so long. In progress. At this point, I'm going to fast forward. I'm going to fast forward this part. Unless you just want to look at me. It didn't take this long last time. Okay, it's ready. So let's look at it. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of the cutest things ever. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye. Bye. So cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. So then what we're gonna do is just download it here. Lovely. And then I'm just gonna show you like a quick example if you were to make like a video. So I have a cute little template here already. And I'm gonna upload that file. See if I can find it. Okay, so I'm gonna upload it here. Okay, so I'm using Canva. Again, a little heads up, Canva is not free if you're gonna do it the way that I'm gonna do it. And Canva, I don't remember how much Canva costs. Maybe like something around $15, $20. So if you're using Canva, so if you already have a Canva account, you'll be all right. But just a little heads up. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of the... Okay, so the green screen. So in Canva, it doesn't have like those advanced editing features. So all you have to do is just click background remover. And it does take a bit of a while to do this. But if you're in CapCut and if you're in Final Cut Pro, there's ways to do like an overlay to remove the green screen. Okay, so it removed it. Now, I do want to warn you, sometimes it does leave a little bit of green behind, but not too much. Like, it's just around the shoe. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I can hide the shoe. It's not that crazy. So we're gonna add her in, and then we're gonna see how this looks. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of the cutest things ever. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye. So cute. Okay, so I'm gonna do an example of, like, say I had a video in the background. So I'm actually gonna use a video that I AI generated. So this is my AI twin, my clone. This is not even me, this is my AI twin. So this is, I'm gonna put her in the background like this, and then raise her up, and then I'm gonna put her down like this. So like if I was making a video or whatever, she could just be a cute little overlay. And then let's see. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of the cutest things ever. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye. Bye. Ah, so cute. Yeah, and that's it. That's literally it. So there's nothing really else. But yeah. If you have any questions, you can ask them below. But yeah. And if you want to check out the course, the link is in the description. Shameless plug. But I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.